Hello friends, my name is Raj and you are watching Tech White. So in this video, I will show you some troubleshooting step to increase or boost your Windows 11 performance. So if you are using Windows 11, make sure you have a SSD, okay? If you don't have SSD, so do not upgrade your system to Windows 11, okay? So this is my first advice, do not upgrade your system if you don't have SSD, okay? So move on to a troubleshooting step. So our first step is delete all the temporary files. So open your run command, or you can press window key and R together to open the run command. And now type %temp%, then press enter. Now select all the files and then delete these files. Now again open your run command. Now type temp, then press enter. Now select all the files and delete all the files. Now cut this window. Now again open your run command and type prefetch, then press enter. Select all the files and delete all the files. So this is our first step, delete all the temporary files. Now move on to a next step, disable all the startup apps. So go to the taskbar, right click on it, then click on Taskbar Settings. Now on the left side, go to this app option. Now you can see this option, startup. Click on it and disable all these startup apps. So these are the apps which automatically start when you turn on your laptop. So disable all the apps. Okay. Now cut this window. Now move on to a next step. Click on your search icon and type view advanced system settings. Here you can see view advanced system settings. Click on it. You will get this window. Click on advanced tab. On the preference column, click on settings. Now select the third option, adjust for the best performance. Okay. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Now move on to our last and the final step. Go to your taskbar, right click on it, then click on taskbar settings. Now on the left side, click on systems. Now you will get this option, storage. Click on it. Now enable this storage sense option. Enable this option. This option will automatically free up space or delete your temporary files. Okay. Now go to this option, clean up recommendation. Now click on temporary files. Then click on see advanced option. Now select all the options, but do not select download option. Okay. If you select this option, your data on your download folder will be deleted. Okay. So leave this option, do not select. Then click on remove files. Then click on continue. So that's it. Now cut this window. So these are the some troubleshooting steps you can apply to boost up your Windows 11 performance. Thank you. Thanks for watching Tech White. Have a nice day.